To replace zeros in an Excel workbook, we're going to use Find and Replace. The shortcut key in the PC is Control-H. What we want to find is 0. We want to match the entire cell contents so it doesn't replace zeros where it shouldn't. And then replace all. And it will take out all of the zeros that are in that worksheet. Now you can also do this with the QI macros. We have a replace zeros with blanks function that will do that for you. One of the most annoying things about Excel is if you take something like this and you say, I want to copy that, and then we come over here, we want to do a paste special, and we want to paste links. Excel places links that are zeros, not blanks. This is quite annoying if you've ever experienced this. So with the QI macros, I built a paste link tool, and it's right here, paste link, and it'll go ahead and put in formulas to replace those zeros and make sure that it has a blank wherever there's a blank involved. And Excel also does not do a paste link transpose, so I have built a paste link transpose tool. And that's how you replace zeros with blanks in Excel. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.